to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my wash and goes. If you want to see how I did this style, keep watching. So let's jump right into the products. I'm of course going to be using the Wetline Xtreme styling gel. It is maximum strength. It's on 10. It's very affordable. It's only $2.99 and you get a lot of gel. And I got mine from Target. They sell it at most stores. To moisturize my hair, I'm going to be using the As I Am leave-in conditioner. Love this leave-in conditioner. It works really well. I'm also going to be using a spray bottle filled with water in case my hair gets dry throughout the video. I'm also going to be using some clips to section off my hair when I'm parting it to put in the products. And then you're going to need a comb to part your hair if you want to part in your hair. You're also going to need a denim brush to detangle your hair while you're putting in the products. You're also going to need a blow dryer if you want to blow dry your hair to make it dry faster, or if you want to stretch out your hair like I'm going to do at the end of the video. You will need a blow dryer. And if you want to do your edges, you can just use an edge brush. Wow, it got stuck in my hair. And then you can use some edge control. Right now I'm using Edge Fixer because I lost my edge booster. It's not my favorite edge control, but it works. And you might also need a silk scarf to lay down your edges. I did not do my edges because you cannot see my edges due to the fact that I have these like bang situation going on. So yeah, but that's gonna wrap up the products. So keep watching to see the styling. Okay, so the first step is to part your hair into 4 sections. I always part my hair into 4 sections no matter what style I'm actually doing. If you're going to be doing a side part or a middle part, you do want to make sure that that part is very straight when you're doing this step. If not, it doesn't really matter if the parts are even or not. So I'm going to start off with a smaller section so that it's easier to work with, and then I'm going to clip the rest of the hair away. If your hair is dry, you can spray water on it first, but if it's still damp like mine, I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner first. This is the As I Am leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to disperse that throughout my hair. I'm then going to take my denim brush and I'm going to start detangling my hair. Once I finish detangling my hair, I'm going to go in with my Wetline Xtreme styling gel, and I'm going to put a very good amount of that throughout my hair, and I'm going to be working it through my hair with my fingers, but at the end I'm going to brush it with a denim brush to ensure that I get those nice curls. When you do your wash and goes, you also want to be really mindful of how much product you actually apply to your hair, because the more product you apply, the longer it's going to take it to dry. I applied a lot of product, so it did take me a while for my hair to dry, but if you apply less product, it won't take your hair that long to dry at all. So now that I'm in the back of my head, I'm doing the same exact thing that I did in the front of my head. The only difference is I'm spraying a little bit more water because the back of my hair is more dry than the front. And I also want to make note that it takes about 30 minutes to apply all of the products and detangle your hair. As you can see, this gel is amazing. It leaves your curls really defined, and it doesn't even have that crunchy feel that gel gives, so I really recommend this gel. Hi, I'm back. It's been like an hour since I last filmed, and this is what my hair looks like. This side is still very wet, but it's not as wet, so I'm getting ready to go in with my blow dryer just so that we can reduce a lot of this shrinkage and so that we can add some volume, and also so that it can dry a lot quicker. So I'm just going to be blow drying my hair, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it to avoid a lot of shrinkage. I feel like blow drying is the most important step and the most crucial step when you're doing wash and goes, unless you let your wash and goes air dry, because blow drying can help reduce shrinkage if you do it right. So when you're blow drying your hair during a wash and go, you want to blow dry in a downwards motion while like pulling your hair downwards so that your hair doesn't shrink up. And you also want to use very low heat, because the more heat you use, the more your hair is going to want to shrink. So you need to make sure that you're pulling the hair down and you're also blow drying in a downwards motion in order to reduce shrinkage and to add volume to your hair. Also, when you get to like the back of your head, you want to make sure you're actually blow drying inside of the hair and not just on the ends, because you want to make sure your hair is completely dry before you actually go outside with your hair. So I used to have bangs a few years ago, but of course they've grown out by now, and I wanted to wear the bangs kind of falling on my face, but I didn't want them in my eyes. So what I'm doing right now is scrunching the hair upwards while I'm blow drying it so that it doesn't fall directly on my eyes. I've completely finished blow drying my hair, and I love how it turned out. The curls look really good, and it's not crunchy, they're soft, and they're very defined. Okay, so my hair is dry for the most part. It is still a little damp in certain areas, but for the most part it is dry, and that is what it looks like. The curls are still defined. Curls are still popping. Yep. So usually I would let it air dry for the most part and then come and blow dry it just to stretch it out and kind of get it in the direction I want at the end. But since I was filming, I decided to blow dry it, and it took me a really long time to blow dry it. My hair is still not completely dry. As you can see, my hair is all in my face up here. I've tried to scrunch it for several minutes. That kind of did something right there, but it's still in my face, which is not really how I like I like it like up here, not on my eyes. But eventually, as it dries more, it will move upwards. But yeah, this is how I do my wash and goes using Wetline Xtreme. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye guys.